Pone tu año de nacimiento y escoge la primera canción. Put your date of birth, your year of birth, and choose the first song. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from this page, you have to go to viral now at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours and it's better to go to my story. So click until you find the desired sticker, and here as you can see I only have viral stickers and you can check these too. So there we have it, it's the last one. From here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So make sure to check that. And from here, you can either take a photo right now or you can go to your uploads and choose a photo from there as a background. So I will go with this photo right here. It doesn't have to be perfect for me guys, but you can make it perfect. So you can make your photo bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with the sticker. You can make it bigger or smaller. So from here you have to go to stickers, go to music, and then here you have to search for your year of birth. So año de nacimiento. So this is mine. Click on the first song that appears and then click on done at the right top corner. So from here you can place your song where you want, the sticker with your song. And then once you are happy with your story, you have to click on share to, then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.